Hey you guys, it's Robin and welcome back to my channel. If you would love to see how I got this makeup look, just keep on watching. First, I'm going to go ahead and take this color called Toby, I believe it's called, from my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to put that all into my crease. This is the orange color, and I love orange colors for my crease. I just feel like they bring out any look that I'm doing. You're just going to go ahead and pack that. You're going to pack it into your crease until you get the vibrant color that you like. So just blend, 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 blend. And I use patting motions. I find that when I do patting motions, it's so much easier for my colors to blend and transition. And these Juvia's Place colors, they're already so pigmented. Trust me, you won't have to do too much. Then I'm going to take two other colors. These are like brown. You can use any type of rusted brown color from a palette that you have. These are from the Jaclyn Hill Vault Collection palettes. And I'm going to use that to blend out the outer edges of that orange. Make sure you always want to blend. Whenever you put down a color, you guys, blend. Put down a color, blend. That's how you're gonna get a seamless look. You do not, under any circumstances, want to add another color without blending the other color, because then it's harder for you to blend, you know, when you're adding more colors. So when you put on a color, blend it out, and trust me, everything will blend seamlessly. I'm gonna go ahead once again, and I'm going to go ahead and take that. I think I took the color Toby and I put a little bit more on because when I blended, I took some away. Then I'm going to take another color out the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just going to put that right up underneath the color Toby. So you're going to drop it down up underneath the color Toby, and I actually use the same brush that I used to put down the color Toby, and I use that, and that also helps blend out your colors as well. So I just flip the brush over and use it. And I'm going to go ahead and add more color and blend it out. For some reason, those colors in the Jaclyn Hill palette, I don't know, I just was having some issues with them. The color payoff. So I actually had to pack a lot of color. And you guys, you're just going to keep packing until you get the color payoff that you like. You're just going to keep adding color. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and do my cut crease. And this takes time, you guys. It's so hard for me to do my cut creases on camera, but I'm just going to go ahead and cut the crease the best way you know how. I'm not a cut crease queen, but I do pretty well. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease, and take your time, you guys. This video is speeded up, so it did not take me the 2 seconds you see me to do it on camera. It actually took me a pretty long time if you want a pretty even crease. Just going to go ahead and cut that crease and get it as even as possible. It's not going to be perfect, but if you do make mistakes, we can go ahead and fix it. And you're going to use any concealer that you have. I prefer the LA Girl Pro concealers to put down my creases, because I found that when I put them on my eyes, they don't crease too bad like other concealers do. Once I have that crease all laid down, I'm just going to add those two light colors out the Jaclyn Hill, or the first palette that she has, and I'm going to put those down onto the lid. So everywhere I put that concealer, I'm going to put those two light colors. And on camera, they're coming out as an opaque white. In person, they're more of like a creamy, sandy kind of color. And I just mix those two colors to get it. Everything that I use will be linked below in the info box if you guys want to know. Please excuse my voice, it's going out right now, you guys. I'm still recovering from my cold. This is the longest cold I have ever had. My voice goes in and out. But like I said, you just want to pack it. Just keep on packing it till you get it to the color payoff that you want. And you get the whole lid, the whole space where you put that concealer down. You get it covered. And don't worry, you guys, if it's not perfect. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take a pointed taper brush. This one, I believe I got it from Amazon, but I'm going to use that And I'm going to take that same deep burgundy color that I took at the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to use that right around the edges of that crease just to blend it out some. I don't want a very distinct cut crease, a very sharp cut crease. I just want my eye to have a little definition. So I'm going to go ahead and blend that out a little bit with that dark color, and it's going to help to bring back what I lost. And it's just going to really help me blend that eye out. Next, I'm going to take those two dark colors. It's like a very, very deep eggplant color, and I'm going to put that in the outer corners of my cut crease. And I'm just going to do patting motions, you guys. Whenever I'm doing my makeup, everything I do is with patting motions. I just find like it's just so much easier when you're patting instead of sweeping, to me. It's like when you're patting, it's like you're packing on color. So the next thing I'm doing, you guys, is I'm adding my NYX glitter base, because I'm going to be adding some glitter to this look. When I was looking at myself in the mirror, I just thought, hey, this would be the perfect look for some glitter. And I'm going to use an NYX glitter. I don't remember the color, but I'm going to leave it in the info box for you guys. And it's so pretty, you guys. The camera is not doing this color any justice. It is gorgeous. I'm just going to go ahead and pack that all onto my lid space. And it's coming across as like a white glitter, but it's really not. It has gold flecks in it. It just has a bunch of different colors in it, and I love it so much. So I'm just going to go ahead and lay it down with that. So pretty. So I finished the rest of my look off camera. I did my face, I added my wing liner, and I also added my lashes. Once again, I will have everything linked below in the info box for you guys if you want to know what I have on my face. And I'm lining my lips with the Chestnut MAC lip liner. I only use MAC lip liners. If I use, it's going to be MAC or Kat Von D. Then I'm going to go ahead with this color called Stunning, I want to say, by Milani. And I'm going to go ahead and add that on my lip. It is a matte lip color. And then once it dries, I'm going to go ahead and add a glitter gloss from Ninka K that I found at the beauty supply store. And you guys, this look just came out. It's just everything to me. I love the way it came out. When it comes to my lips, I have very big lips, so I always make sure I double line my lips. Like I have to, because if I don't double line and I just put color smack on my lips look huge. They look way bigger than they are, and they're already big. So yeah, you're just gonna go ahead and blend that color all over your lips. If you don't like the glitter gloss, you don't have to use it, but I just feel like it went perfect with my eye color. And yeah, that's about it, you guys. That is the look. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair off camera. If you are interested in seeing this hair, I will have it in another video for you guys. Thank you so much for being subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.